This is our group for the group project. My name is Natasha Hironenko.
My name is Marissa Hart.
And my name is Daisy Paul.
Alright, so problem number 59, and that's a 40 grams of molten iron 2 oxide reacts with 10 grams of magnesium. What's the mass of iron produced? So your equation is iron oxide liquid form plus magnesium in liquid form reacts and forms iron in liquid form plus magnesium oxide in solid form. So first you have to do your given, which is 40 grams of FeO, and you're trying to cancel out the grams of FeO, so you know 1 mole of FeO is equivalent to the molar mass, which is 71.85 grams over moles of FeO times 1 mole of Fe, since we're trying to go from FeO to Fe, over 1 mole of FeO times the molar mass of Fe, which is 55.85 grams over 1 mole of Fe. And these will cancel out. Your moles of FeO will cancel out, and your mole of Fe will cancel out, so that you're left with the grams of Fe. So when you do this, you're left with 31.1 grams of Fe. Alright, so next you have to figure out how much iron is produced with the amount of magnesium given. So you're given 10 grams of magnesium, and you have to multiply that by 1 mole of magnesium over the mass to cancel out the grams, and the mass of magnesium is 24.31 grams. And then you have to multiply that by your moles to cancel out the moles. So you have 1 mole of iron, since that's what we're trying to figure out, over 1 mole of magnesium. And then to cancel out the moles of iron so that you're left with the mass of iron, you do the mass of iron, which is 55.85 grams, over 1 mole of Fe, and you're gonna be left with 23 grams of Fe. So then you have to compare the two numbers that you got. So for FeO, it produced 31.1 grams of Fe, and magnesium produced 23 grams of Fe. And since the 23 is less than the 31.1 grams, you know that magnesium is your limiting reagent. And your equation produced 23 grams of